Welcome to the Mylestone Learning Portal. To get started, enter your school-provided username or app ID and click Continue. Then, securely enter your password and click Sign In. Once you are logged in, you will land on your profile and settings page. Here, you can review your personal information, including your class, school name, and academic year. To access your study materials, click the book icon on the left to open your bookshelf. You will see all your assigned Class 8 subjects, such as English, Mathematics, Sciences, and Social Sciences. Clicking on any subject will display its list of chapters. Let's take a look at Mathematics. By selecting a chapter like Rational Numbers, you can access interactive digital resources. Simply click on videos to watch educational lessons, like this review on the properties of rational numbers. Navigating between subjects is easy. Let's switch to Science Physics and explore the chapter on friction. You might occasionally see a notification if certain resources haven't been unlocked by your teacher yet. However, you can still play the available video lessons right from the dashboard. You can do the same for your other subjects. Under Political and Social Life, you can open the Indian Constitution chapter and watch engaging, animated videos to help you better understand the material. When you are finished with your study session, click the profile icon on the left-hand menu and select Log Out. Happy learning!